Welcome, gorgeous ladies and stunning women, to my new video. Today, we are diving into the world of stunning hairstyles. If you have been looking for fantastic ideas for a pixie cut or easy ways to style your short hair perfectly, then you are in the right place. Let me be your guide through this exciting journey as we unlock a stunning look that will leave you amazed. We all know how important our hair is when it comes to defining our style and boosting our confidence. That's why I have carefully selected some great tips and ideas that will capture your heart. With these new techniques, you will see a remarkable change in your hair, making you even more beautiful. Think about the magic of white, gray, and black colors. These shades have a special charm that will make your hair look incredibly elegant. We will explore subtle highlights and bold undertones, adding depth and dimension to your short looks. Get ready to be amazed as you witness the transformation. And if English is not your first language, don't worry. Fashion is a language that everyone can understand, no matter where you are from. Now, let's get to the good stuff. I am presenting you with a special collection of short hairstyling ideas designed just for you. These hairstyles are timeless and impactful, whether you want a chick bob, a pixie cut, or any other fantastic short haircut. Get ready to fall in love with these mesmerizing ideas. Now, let's dive into the enchanting world of gray, white, and black colors. Imagine the shine your hair will have when it embraces these breathtaking colors. The combination of black and gray is classy and a bit magical. These hairstyles are here to make you feel special and unique. To give you a sneak peek of what's coming, I have chosen some stunning visuals of women rocking various short hairstyles from modern to elegant. You will find endless inspiration to express your style. Get ready to show off your inner fashionista and let your short hairs steal the spotlight wherever you may go. As we are near the end of this video, I want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this amazing journey. Your support fueled my passion to create content that inspires and empowers your inner beauty. Always remember, you are essentially and naturally beautiful, and with the perfect hairstyle, you possess the power to conquer the world. So go ahead, embrace those fabulous short hairstyles with unwavering confidence and let your inner beauty shine. Thank you for joining us today on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.